What brings us here today is an important activity. As Instacash, we ensured to uplift young kids at high school level through extracurricular activities, soccer. They've played at the very levels that they were at, and we are now at the top 16. I think we do have an understanding that there are 15 branches. The 16th one becomes a prize or offering an MD from Instacash, who chooses who then goes to the 16th school. The reason I'm mentioning this is for us to get an understanding. There's been many questions around it. How do we get to have the 16th player or team? Who gets there? Soccer as a sport, there are many things that go into having a game more than just the 90 minutes. There's fans, there's discipline, there's also the flair that comes with it. Different schools would, on a normal day, just say, let the kids go and play, and we leave the others behind. It pained me as a student when that would happen, especially when we had qualified, when the high school maybe would say, let only the school team go and play. So what we're looking at here is a situation where we need to still encourage the business of enjoying the school games. Cash is a combination of focus from what your coach is saying and also balancing with your academics. It is a very important activity that we are happy and excited to be part of. Ladies and gentlemen, ngicela ukuqhubeka neprogram yethu. Kune announcement